Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Zombicide speed paint. This week I painted Cassius. He was primed in Vallejo's grey primer and I started off with Sunny's skin tone. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also ask on Discord and share anything you've been hobbying on. I stream on Twitch on Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time, where you can come hang out while I game or paint some minis. Next up is the padded skirt with Banshee Brown. For the rest of the leather armour I used werewolf fur. With the parts that look white in the artwork, I went with ash grey. This is going to be highlighted white to keep it looking how it should do, but makes it a lot easier than actually painting white. There are a few belts and extra leather details that I done with dark stone. I figured the skin needed a little bit extra, so I gave it a highlight of elven flesh. This is only slightly lighter than the Sunny skin tone, but it's enough that it gives that raised areas and adds a little bit more depth into the actual skin. Next up is the handles of his clubs. This is a light wood, so leather brown seemed best. For his hair, I chose oak brown as it's a very dark brown, but I've used dark stone already, so Oak brown was my next darkest one. Now for the metal parts, I went with gunmetal for all of them. To highlight the grey parts, I used matte white. I also took this opportunity to add the white for his eyes. Finishing up before the washes go on is black for the base and his eyes. Onto the washes, I start off with a flesh wash for all of that skin and his hair. The other wash is dark tone over everything else on the Mini. And that will be it for Cassius, a quick and simple and ready for the board paint job. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. As always, there will be photos of this guy on my Instagram and Ko-fi pages. If you want to support the channel more than you already do, on my Ko-fi page you can drop a one-off tip to help me get better equipment. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.